reviews on bags and cute, um, products and tips and tricks on how to navigate through life, then join us. Join me in my journey on YouTube, okay? So today I'm going to kind of be unboxing and reviewing the Telfar belts. This is what it comes in. It comes in this cute black box, and the box is soft. The box is soft. It's giving me luxury. It's giving me luxurious. Um, you know what it's given? It's given like the same texture of my. Hold on, 1 second. Okay, yeah. So it's giving me luxury. It's giving me the same luxury as an Audi key box. Like, this is giving me the same quality of luxury. Like, it's smooth. It's heavy. Has a good density to it. And it's just like, okay, like this is what we're given. Like, we're given good stuff. And then on the back, it has the style information. Oh, can you see? Can you see? Perfect. Yeah. So that's what it's given. So now let's unbox. So it comes in a dust bag, like any other luxury item. It comes in a dust bag, like a Gucci or Louis. Got your little dust bag, and inside is the logo again with the style, like what's on the back of the box. And I got, what size did I get? I got a logo belt, black small, which is 24 to 36 inches. Now, this is how it looks. This is the belt buckle. Really, really cute. And it's really not that big. It's like, let's compare it to some things. In comparison to like a car key, this is how it's looking, to give you some type of comparison. Let's see. Some dental floss. It's about the same size. Yeah, it's about the same size and width of some dental floss. That's the small one, not the big dental floss. Hold on. Yeah, it's the small dental floss, not the big dental floss. Let's see. Yeah, you see it's smaller. That's how it looks on this one. That's how it looks compared to the big dental floss and the small dental floss, okay? So it's black. I got the black one. Inside it has the logo and the tag. It says Telfar, established 2005 NYC. Okay, boom. Perfect, right? So when you first get it, it's like wrapped in plastic. The logo is wrapped in plastic, and then the whole belt is in plastic as well. I really didn't like that. It kind of like made the product feel less than like luxury, the whole plastic covering all over it. So hopefully in the future, with mass production, he wouldn't need to put the belt in plastic. That's my only thing that I didn't like is, oh, why is it in plastic? But the belt is it's structured well. Um, it looks like on the outer parts, it's I don't know um what material this is, but I feel like it wouldn't wear and tear. I feel like on the brim of the belt, it's pretty sturdy with the stitching as well. So as long as you're not like wearing the belt too tight, then I feel like you can get good wear out of this belt. This belt retails for, I believe, $90. So this could be very well your everyday belt. This could be your go-to belt that you're wearing every day. So of course, when you wear it longer and more, then the wear and tear is going to be greater than somebody who is not wearing a belt every day, number one, or switching out their belts. I bought a size small because I feel like I can wear it around my waist and my hips as well. You know, I wanted to have the belt be versatile so I can get as much wears and make it a statement piece with as I change and style the belts. I kind of wish that it was like larger. I wish that if it was like in comparison to the larger wax, I feel like it just would have been a little bit better. Like, I feel like this is really small. Like, I feel like hopefully he should make a bigger size. And when he does, then I would definitely get that bigger size. I feel like this is calm, collective. This is like, okay, you see it, it's subtle. But I feel like me, I would have wanted it to be a little bit like, hey, how you doing? This is my Telfar Belt, like in your face. And I get it, that's really not his aesthetic. That's not the brand. The brand itself is in your face because I feel like the people, at least like from his like campaigns and his ads, is like in your face with how they rock it. So I guess in a sense it doesn't have to be big because you're gonna know, you know. So in that aspect I totally get it, but me personally, I would have wanted the belt buckle to be a tad bit bigger. That's it. Everything else is, not an issue. It does have a lot of holes, I guess, because of the range, from 20, let's just say, I think, yeah, from a 24 to a 36-inch, waist. That is, a lot. So you wouldn't need to go out and make more holes, get more holes at like the shoe repair place. Like, you wouldn't need to have them go and make more holes, and that's a good thing, so that you're able to wear it in multiple different ways and be stylish. I feel like the Telfar people that like the the people that wear it are just like so stylish and just so street. It's especially like the different ways that they will wear it. I feel like you'll see somebody put it over their head. Like, it's just funny. I feel like a Telfar person is different. They're different. They're in your face. They are trendy. So I feel like, you wear it like, I feel like this would be like a campaign. Like, they would dead ass be like, what's up? How you doing? Like, to me, it's just like, they're extra. And I love it. I love the extra. So I'm just really surprised that the size belt is so small. Especially on men, because this is unisex. I feel like for a man, I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. I don't know, men. Comment below. Do you agree with me? Do you agree that the belt buckle should be a little bit bigger? Just a tad bit bigger. Like, look at my earrings compared to this. Like, just a tad bit bigger. Other than that, there's like no issue with it. I wore it. It looks cute. I wore it twice. I wore it once with black jeans and a bodysuit, and then I wore it with a jumper, a baggy jumper, and had that like stitched at the waist, and it was cute. It wasn't an issue, but again, I'm gonna go right back to it. I wish the belt buckle was a little bit bigger. Also, I want him to have another option. Like, this is silver. I want him to have an option for us to have it in gold. But I get it. Like, he's growing. So I'm pretty sure as he continue to grow and we see him, like, become this freaking mega freaking fashion designer, that he will, listen to us, the customer, and give us more options. But this is cute. This is cute. If I had a kid, I mean, it's just so small. Like, it's just so juvenile. Like, ooh, but it's cute. It's cute. It's a look. Like, people gonna know. They're gonna be like, oh, okay, she got her Telfar belt. Like, it's definitely a statement. It's definitely not an understatement. You know. I love the logo. The logo is branded everywhere. Like, damn near universal now. I feel like Telfar is universal. Like, people know the brand, they know the logo, they know the vibes. This is what it is. But yeah. Tell me how you guys style this. Tell me how you feel about the size of the buckle. Tell me how do you feel about his growth, his progression, and do you also agree that he's really just started and he's gonna be here for like years upon years, even when he is? I feel like his brand is going to really live on. It's gonna be here for decades, um, and I feel like he's gonna blow up and he's gonna be big, and I am proud of him, and I am going to continue to support him. Because he does make some good pieces, and it's cute, and I love his like his branding. His branding is really good. So that is all that I have to say about this belt. It's not much to really talk about. It's a black belt, and I'm not like doing a tutorial on how to style it. So that is the end of this video. Comment, share, let's engage. Let's talk about this belt. Let's talk about the brand, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching.